All right, so I heard we have bubble tea in Belize. So I'm on my way to Milky Way to try out their bubble tea. Now, the last time I had one in New York, it was the bomb and I fell in love with it. I'm not sure what it's going to taste like now, but let's go and see. I love the ambience of this place. It is so beautiful. I don't know why I ordered the extra large one, but I ordered the extra large bubble tea. I don't know why. I was trying to ask him which one he recommends, and he was telling me that he recommends the original one since it's my first time trying it. My one liquor $50. Oh Lord. Anyways, look at this, guys. It is so pretty. For the ambience, I will definitely rate it a 9 out of 10. It's very welcoming. It's very nice and relaxing. I love the fact that it gives me some type of nature vibes, or I don't know, just give me a nice vibe. So this is a bubble tea, quite different. But yeah, I got it and now it's time for me to test it out and I'll let you guys know what I think. So stay tuned for that video at the end. Yay! Alright, so first taste, I was like, it's alright, but it's not really my thing. I'm not sure what to think or how to feel about it. I like the bubble part because of course it's like some nice gummies that you get to chew and so forth with your tea. But I honestly wouldn't give it like a, oh wow, it's something that you definitely must try. Maybe it's just me or maybe it's just the particular flavor that I got. I'm on my way home, so see you there. Alright, so I'm home now. I really, like, I had a feel like it's not half as yet, but I had it. You know, it was okay. So honestly speaking, I've had better, like way better. And to me, this is just basically like the black tea with milk, which I mean, it should be a tea or it tastes like tea, but the one that I had in New York was so much different. Honestly speaking, I wouldn't buy it again, but it's nice. It's not as bad, but it's not my cup of tea, but it's okay. I don't know if this is a good review, but try it and let me know. And if you guys have tried this one, especially from Milky Way, because of course everyone makes their own difference, so maybe this is just my opinion from this spot, but I wanted to share it with you guys. I would rate it 7 out of 10.